Hello Pandora lovelies, and this is a very lovely box opening that we have today. This is my purchases from the Pandora Valentine's 2022 collection, and we're full of love today. Have some love here on my wrist, and there's going to be more love in the bag, so let's have a look. So let's see what I purchased from this collection. So in the small box to start with, we have 2 rings, some exciting new rings from Pandora Me. In this one, it looks like a double ring, and they call it an open ring, so it's actually curved, it joins together the 2 bands. And then at the center is this word love. So that's really beautiful in Pandora Rose, and it matches the link, the word link, in the same design. That looks beautiful on, doesn't it? It's so pretty. I'll have to review and see how this can be worn with the other Pandora rings, the connectors, and the little micro dangles as well. So that is the first ring. And the second ring I ordered was the same as the previous styles, but rose and black enamel. You see it's a slender one like these previous ones, and that even looks nice worn with this one, the new one, the love open ring. So then my 2 new rings, and then with the charms I ordered 1 Disney piece. There was a few that I was tempted by, but I narrowed it down and ordered the Minnie and Mickey aeroplane charm. And how adorable is this charm? Look at them, they're both flying off together for a romantic adventure. The little aeroplane, it's got love written on the side. See Minnie sitting there in the back seat, little hearts on the various ends of the plane as well. Mickey in the front, so it's so cute, so much detail, such a gorgeous design. So that was my only Disney purchase. And then I purchased also one of the cheaper charms from the collection, but such good value, the Openwork Padlock charm. And this charm is really full of detail. The base of the charm's like a chain link fence, and then there's this selection of different padlocks going across it saying love you. That one has a little key, heart-shaped one, all different styles. So sweet. And then as well as that, it has this message engraved on it on the side. In repeat, you can see it says locked in your heart, locked in your heart across there. See all the different locks. So really full of detail and such good value. And then of course everyone was blown away with this new design, which had a padlock and a key dangle. And the exciting thing about this is that it actually opens. So let's test this out. So we have the little tiny love key. It's got love written on the circular part and the other part as well. Let's see. Will it open? Will it open padlock? Will it open my heart? Dun dun dun. Try turning it right way around to start with. And then, yes! Do you hear that little click? Woo! So exciting. So this can be worn on bracelets, on necklaces. They do say not to wear it so that the key is left in. So if you do that, let me just hold it as if it's worn, then yeah, that's just going to fall right out. So don't do that, you'll lose your key. But you can wear the 2 pieces next to each other, separate, or gift the key to somebody or the padlock to somebody. Me, I'm going to keep both parts. So Look forward to the review for those beautiful pieces from the Valentine's collection. So let me know what you ordered from the Valentine's collection or what you've been gifted, and I look forward to seeing your pictures as well and your thoughts. Let me know as well, which piece would you like me to review first? The padlock and key, the Minnie and Mickey aeroplane charm, the Openwork padlock charm, or the new Pandora Me rings. So let me know which one you'd like to see more information on soon. And thanks for joining me. Be sure to like and subscribe and keep the Pandora love going. Bye bye. See you.